Hello to everyone. In this video I am going to introduce my family. My name is Arles Fernando Ramos Poveda. I am 34 years old. In this picture, nice memory on the farm. This is my family. This is my mom. Her name is Evelia Poveda Medina. This is 53 years old. This is my dad. His name is Hector Ramos Bastidas. He is 62 years old. She is my sister. Her name is Karin Andrea Ramos. She is 24 years old. She is besides her husband, whose name is Wilmer Pinzon. He is 34 years old, and he is holding my niece, whose name is Paula Andrea Ramos Pinzon. She is 1 year old. This is my older brother, and his name is Fabian Andres Ramos. He is 35 years old. She is my brother's wife, and her name is Angela Leon. She is 28 years old. She is hugging her oldest son, whose name is Sebastian. He is 6 years old. I am holding my younger nephew, and his name is Kevin. He is 1 year old, and he is from my older brother. The one being my sister is my younger brother, and his name is Didier, but he likes to be called by his second name, Farley. He is 21 years old. Farley is smaller than my brother. He is taller than my two nephews. I am taller than my father and my older brother. My dad is older than my mother. My cousin. In this picture, I am with my younger brother, Farley, and 3 of my cousins. Their names are Aura, Rubiel, and Brian. Rubiel is the one with dark skin and beard. She is Aura, and he is Brian. And my brother Farley, who I already told about in the last picture. As you can see, Brian's skin is darker than mine, but lighter than Rubiel. Brian is shorter than me, but taller than Farley. And Aura has longer hair than the rest of us. Thank you.